Hello, welcome to the world of weird. Today I'm sewing another one of my bestsellers. It's probably my second bestseller, maybe third, I'm not sure, I'd have to look. This one isn't actually for sale. This one is a gift for someone really, really special. So I've got two pieces of fabric. This is my outer, that's my inner, my lining. They are 5.5 across by 6.5 long. And I've got a little tab that I made, but I forgot to press record. So you need 2.5 by 3 inches, fold it in half again, and sew down both sides, and you'll get a little tab. And I've got my little, don't know what these are called. Then you get them on Amazon, super cheap. So we've done that. I'll pull that to one side. So put your fabric facing together, pretty sides together. My lining fabric's got a stabilizer on it. You can stabilize both if you like, but I really like the feel of this fabric and I don't want to change it. So fabric, put your sides together, pin or clip it in place. I'm going to sew around here, around here to here, and I'm going to leave a little gap here for turning through. Don't sew that bit. Remember to start and finish with the back stitch, and I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Snip off those corners. I'm just going to fold that bit back because once you've turned it through, it makes it just a little bit easier for you to tuck it in. Right, once you've turned it through, give it a press with the iron and iron those bits in. This end that's open and the opposite end, we're going to top stitch. I'm doing about 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. Right, fold it in half, find your centre, give it a little press, and you're going to need a buttonhole. I'm using a button that is about just under 1 inch, which will give me a 1 inch buttonhole, and we're going to be putting a buttonhole somewhere along here. I don't have a pen to mark it. I can't find anything today. So buttonholers go backwards. So I'm going to start about here. There we go. Now you need to get some scissors and cut through that. You can use your seam ripper, but you might just cut through your stitches. So I really need some smaller scissors. There we go. Now you're gonna fold it over like that. You're gonna overlap it just a little bit. Like that. If you want to put Velcro on it, then you need to put Velcro on this side and this side. So it's going to be on one side of the fabric and on the other side of the fabric, one on each side. Nice. There we go. Now sew down this side and this side. Oh, don't forget to put your clippy thing in. And I'm going to do 1/8 of an inch seam allowance again. When I get to this bit, the folded over bit and the tab, I'm going to reverse back stitch over it just to make it more secure. There we go. I need to pop a little bit. I've got a stick-on Velcro that you don't have to sew in. It just sticks on. Or I've got those, but I can't. The clippy clips, but I can't remember where I put them. But these are really, really good to sew and sell because they use hardly any fabric. And these cost pennies. These you can buy at the pound shop. I guess the US equivalent of a pound shop would be, is it Dollar General or what's the other one? I don't know. But you can sell them without these in. And they're just letter size. So they're really cheap to post. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.